Hey, have you been overspending with your service? You really need to take a look at this video to show you how to save big time.
Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything.
Certain things of that nature. I know everyone wants movies and TV shows, so stick around, watch the video. It's going to show you how to install it. Also, going to show you how to use it and what comes with it. So first thing I'm going to show you what about the new movies that are out. As you can see at the top, we have the widgets at the top. So these show like newer movies that are out. So as you can see, Avengers is here. It just came out last week. Black Panther's been out for a while, of course, but this movie is in theaters. So let's just click on Avengers. Now this is a leap of faith because Avengers is pretty new. So let's see what we can get. I'm just click on one of the links. Anytime it says pair, just hit cancel and let it keep going, whatever it's doing. Alright, we're going to try another one. Let's try redeeming. We got a lot of different links right here. Let's go ahead with the 720. Thing about widgets, it gets you straight to the movie real quick. Didn't take no time. The movie should be playing 720, and there you go. Give it time before it has a good copy and things of that nature. So that's the widgets. Now, if you want to look for a specific movie, you just come down to movies, come down all the way to the add-on that you like. You can come to Placenta. You can scroll all the way left, Supremacy, but I'm gonna do Placenta because it's in the same format as Exodus and Covenant. Now, if we're looking for what's most popular that's out, click on most popular. It's going to show you the most popular movies. Everything, of course, Avengers is, A Quiet Place, wonderful movie, Black Panther. So if you go through this route, click on Black Panther. By now it should have good copies. It's been out for about 3 months now. So yeah, as you can see, it shows about 1080p, 720. Once you get these, you know there's good copies out. If you only have SD, it'll play, but it may be a cam or some type of recording of that nature. So that's cool as well. It just depends on your preference. I know if you got a nice 4K TV, you want the best resolution, so you might want to stick with the 1080p, 720. You got to use what you pay for. So you want to click at the one at the top. Sometimes if that one doesn't work, it'll go to the next one, but if it does, it'll automatically play that one. If you see that play sign down here at the left-hand side, it means you're good to go. It's working. It means most likely it is going to play. Once it finishes spinning, yeah, anytime you use the most, so that one in place, I'm going to try the second one. Let's try the second one. There you go. It played almost immediately. Sometimes the first one was 1080p, so you had to probably couldn't get it together. If I tried it again, it may work, but just for video purposes, I just want to show you that it's working. There it is. Other different add-ons. You got Movie Porter, Encouraging Movies, whichever one you like. I'm just gonna click on Redemption. I never used it, but let's see what it has. New releases. Samsung Fishbowl, then Drag. Let's see something that may have a good copy. That may have a good copy. Cartoon, HD. IMDB. I guess this is for add-on. Redemption works pretty. Look at that resolution. Also, go through right here. You can search for HD movies, 3K, whatever. Full HD movies. Let's see if they'll just bring up selections about that nature. Doesn't exist or not. That's fine. So you just got to play around with the app. Same thing for TV shows. Now let's go to Rebirth. Let's go to Rebirth. And then let's go to most popular TV show. Popular TV show. So of course it should be like Westworld. If you keep up with the most popular shows right now, Westworld, maybe, I don't know. But lately, anytime I cut on my TV, I see Westworld. I don't know if y'all watch that, but I'm sure it's a great TV show. It's pretty good, I think. So this is Rebirth add-on. It's taking a little extra time than it wants. Alright, load it up. Like I said, the top movies will be first. This is a different layout, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and click on Suits. Then I'm going to click on Season 6. And then just click on the episode you want to watch. It's going to load up. As you can see right here, it's going to show you what it has. Just 2 for that show, which is better than nothing. So like the perks I have in FIRESTICK, you get all these TV shows and movies for free anytime you want. You know, it's not like you have to set a recorder for it. It's just instant. Once you want to watch it, you just watch it. Simple as that. Right now, I think we having issues. Okay, it's playing. I thought it froze for a second, but it didn't. Maybe the word. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Sometimes it takes longer than others. All you got to do, if this happens, like it's taking too long for your liking, just go to a different add-on. Go to a different one. It'll be good. But it played after a while. It took a little extra time, but it's playing. If it's buffering, not to your liking, there you go. Just like that. Alright, so that's how you do that. And you can use multiple different add-ons for that as well. You can type it in, play around. You got to play around with these builds to learn about them. If you're going to have it set up on your TV, if you're going to have a company and watch certain things, you may have it ready, you need to know what you're doing. This is the sports section, live sports channels. You know, you can. There's all the sports apps you want to go to, Pure Sports. No sports is on right now, but just you can go through all these add-ons and see which one you like best and which one plays best for you. Like if a basketball game come on tonight, try it out. You know, see if it works and then stick with it. Just simple as that. We got TV guide. We got different live TV channels. If I go to all channels, this is Cloud TV. Go to all channels on the bottom hand left, and then you can go to what? ABC. Click on that. ABC. See what happens. Nothing happens, go to the next TV channel, click on it. See, some of them don't work, but some of them do. You just gotta try multiple. World IPTV. Rising Tide, Free IP World News. So you get the gist of it. I'm not gonna go through it. I'm not gonna go in great detail about live TV because it works when it wants. We got kids on for all the kids, all the TV channels. We got the widgets at the top. If I want to just watch Coco, I'm gonna click on Coco just like that. It's gonna load up. See a lot of 1080, a lot of HD. So it should be a good resolution movie. Perfect for the kids, so they don't have to sit there with an iPad in their hand. I know how little kids are. They get them iPads in 2018 and it's out there. We got relax and chill. We got gaming. We got TMZ. If I want to click on TMZ, let's see what we get. We want to see live, and it's not on right now, of course. If we want to watch something with somebody interviewing whoever, TMZ fan, right there, just simple. Like I said, this Xenon has been out for a while. It works awesome. It's always been good. Right here, it'll show you last played at the top, all the last played movies that I watched. If I want to watch them again, if you want to watch what your spouse has been watching without you, you can come up here to last played. We got your add-on section. You can search and install. You can go to video add-ons. Now, this will show you all the add-ons that come with the build. Every single one. Everything. A lot of add-ons come with this build. It's pretty good. You can't really miss anything. Oculus is just Placenta. These are good add-ons to watch TV shows and movies. Worldstar Hip Hop, everything. The build comes with a lot of different things. Alright, favorites, Xenon, and back to the beginning. Alright, now if you don't like this build, all you have to do is go to the wizard. Whatever wizard that you use to get it, go to the same wizard right here at the bottom left, the little shelf. Click on the wizard. Then it's going to take you to the settings. If you want to delete it, you go to maintenance right here. And then you go to fresh start, click on that, hit yes, you'll be back to the blue screen just like nothing ever happened before. Alright, just that simple to get rid of it. Then you can go add another one, or you can go to builds right here. It's going to show you the other builds that come with the wizard, Eminence, Twilight, anything else you want to download. If you want the Dirty Chef right here at the bottom, you know, enjoy yourself, do your thing. So that's it. That's all it takes to get Xenon built onto your system. I just want to show you a different build that you can use. Everything is good. We got a fitness section. I didn't get to that. If you want to work out, you don't have to buy anything. Let's do some films. I'll click on one of them. Fitness at home. 32-minute home cardio workout. No equipment. You know, I need to get my workout. So
15 seconds.
So you know, easy workout. Boom. Personal theater at home. Yeah, I want to stop that.
5.
Exciting. So there you go. This build is awesome. We got even an adult section over there if you want to use that as well. So that's all I got for y'all. I'm going to now show you how to install the build onto your system. So stick around, pay attention so you can get this build onto your Fire Stick. And here we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this installed. The first thing you want to do is come over here to the top left of your screen and click on this settings screw. Next, what you want to do is come over to the right to system settings. You want to come down on the left hand side to add-ons. Then you want to click on show notifications. Also, you want to click on unknown sources. It's going to prompt you with a warning. Hit yes. Both of these on the right hand side should be white and should say install updates automatically. Once you get that, you want to hit back. Then you want to come down to just down one spot to file manager and click on that. Next, you want to come over to the left and click on add source. Then you want to click on none. Alright, then we're going to type in the URL for Xenon build. It's pretty long, so brace yourself. Alright, so make sure you type it in correctly. If you make any errors, it will not work, so pause the video if you need to. Click OK. Come down here. Change this from repo. Type in .xenon. Hit OK. Pause the video. Catch up. Do what you got to do. Make sure it's typed in just like that. Hit OK. I always like to double check. Double click. We should get these pop-ups right here, especially this install wizard. Okay. Hit back. Hit back again. Come down on the left hand side to add-ons. Click on add-ons. Next, you want to come down, to the top left. You want to click on this installation box right here. Next, you want to come down to install from zip file. Then you want to come up here to Xenon or whatever you named it. If you put a period in the front, if you put a period in front, it'll be at the top. If you didn't, it'll be in alphabetical order. You want to click on .xenon. And then you want to click on install wizard. Then you want to click on plugin program the chef. Alright, so give it some time. Alright, while you're waiting, go ahead and check out the description. VPN KODI, get you a VPN for your devices, for your streaming, so make sure you check it out in the description. Also, check out my other videos. If you had trouble getting back to the blue screen, it's in the description as well. If you want a different build, if this one doesn't work, make sure you check out other builds on my channel. There's like a million different builds. As long as you get one that works, that's current and updated, you'll be good. If one doesn't work, just try another one. Alright? Sometimes KODI doesn't work for a lot of reasons. Make sure sometimes some build isn't made for you, just certain things like of that nature. So make sure you check out another build if this one doesn't work. Check out my channel on how to jailbreak your Fire Stick as well. I got multiple different videos. I got a lot of APKs that you can add multiple things to your Fire Sticks like Free Flicks, Terrarium, Modro, all those things you can add as well as with KODI. If you check out one of the videos, I have all 4 showing you how to make your Fire Stick very usable. So at the moment, we're just waiting for the zip file to finish. It's going to pop up on our top right. We're just waiting on that. A good way to check and see if it's still going, you can click on recently updated and just hit back. It'll say currently downloading add-ons, so you're good. It just takes, sometimes it takes a little while longer than others. Why do you need a VPN? Sometimes if you're streaming, your provider will stop you from streaming. Some providers don't like people stream whatever internet provider you're using. They don't like streaming, especially if you're streaming a lot. So if you get that security, it'll protect you and things of that nature. So this is the pop-up we was looking for. Once you get that, it's going to automatically give you this pop-up. Click on continue. Then you want to click on build menu. This should be gone. Ignore. Alright, so this is the build menu that we're looking for. So if you have already updated to Leah, which is still alpha, we're not using that. We use this thing. Beta is the real one. So anyways, you got multiple different add-ons you can use, as you can see right here. We got 2 servers for the Xenon build. Everybody loves Xenon. So the reason it's 2 servers, you can choose either one. Light maybe a smaller amount of megabytes, smaller. If you got a lot of stuff in your FIRESTICK, I advise using the light, but you want to use the fully loaded ones. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one at the top, and then I'm going to click on fresh install. And I'm going to hit continue. So it's going to go ahead and download. Looks like it's going to take about a minute or so. So the reason it's 2 servers, if this one was going extremely slow, I will go ahead and check on the other server and see if we can get a faster download speed. Alright, so once that finishes, what you want to do, you want to click on force close. You want to open KODI right back up. Now if you're using your FIRESTICK, sometimes you have to unplug it and plug it back in, or you can go to the settings. You can do it that way if you know how to use it. Just go to applications, go to the KODI app and hit force close, and then open it back up and you'll be right here at the screen. At the beginning, you want to give it like 2 to 3 minutes to download everything. As you can see at the bottom right, it's going to start saying update, 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 add-on updated. So you're going to give it time to get everything updated nice and perfect for you. See all these nice add-ons. We got the widgets popping up. This build is pretty good, works awesome. So like I said, I was just trying to show y'all how to install it. This is still KODI 17.6. This is a Xenon build. We have to use a new URL to get it. Like I say, things continue to change, so you want to stay up to date on certain builds. As long as your build is working, you don't have to change it. But if you like different things, if you want to stay up to date with the newer add-ons, continue to watch those. Like I said, check out the VPNs in the description. Also, I want you to check out other videos on my channel. Leave a comment if you like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about this build and what build works for you. And I'll see y'all again soon. Y'all have a blessed
Thanks for watching. Please follow the link in the description to get access to the product.